Hello everybody, today we're going to review the days of the week. Vamos a repasar los días de la semana, days of the week. Number 1, Monday, Monday. Here we have the word Monday, Monday. You trace the word, vamos a trazar las palabras con color, recortamos Monday y lo pegamos acá en el número 1. Monday. You stick here Monday. And you use rice for Monday. Vamos a pegar arroz. Here, pegamos arrocito en este vagón del primer día. Monday. Monday. You stick Monday and stick rice here. Monday. Pegamos arrocito en el vagón. Monday. Number 2, Tuesday. 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 Vamos a trazar la palabra con color. Trace the word Tuesday. Tuesday. And you stick lentils. Lentils. Vamos a pegar lentejitas aquí en este vagón. Rice, lentils. Monday, Monday con arroz, Tuesday con lentejas. Monday, Tuesday. Number 3, Wednesday, Wednesday. Here we have the word Wednesday. We trace the word and you cut. Trazamos, recortamos y pegamos. Trace, Wednesday, cut and stick here. Wednesday. Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. With modeling clay. Vamos a rellenar el vagón con plastilina. With Play-Doh or modeling clay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Number 4, Thursday, Thursday. Number 4, Thursday. Trace the word, trazamos, trace the word, and you use silk paper. Vamos a usar bolitas pequeñitas de papel seda. Pequeñas bolitas de papel seda en todo este vagón del jueves. Number 4, Thursday. Thursday. Number 1, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday. Number 5, Friday. Friday. Here we have the word Friday. Trace, cut, and stick here. Stick here, Friday. 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 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday, vamos a usar también arrocito para el viernes. Aquí pegamos arrocito. Rice, rice here for Friday. Friday. Number 6, Saturday. Saturday. We trace the word Saturday, and you use lentils. Use lentils. También pegamos acá lentejitas, como lo hicimos en el número 2. Tuesday with lentils, Saturday with lentils. Lentils for Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday. Here we have the word Sunday. Trace, cut and stick here. Sunday. Sunday. And you color. Vamos a colorear todo este vagón. Color. Color this. Sunday. Después de haber terminado el número 7, Sunday, vamos a colorear el conductor. Color the driver. Color the driver and write your name. Here you write your name. Color the driver. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The days of the week. Days of the week. Lunes, martes, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, days of the week.